Are you looking for the best hiking socks? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best hiking socks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall hiking socks. The Darn Tough Hiker Full Cushion is thick and cushiony but not too thick, providing excellent protection for your feet on the trail. It's also incredibly durable and will last years of hiking and backpacking. The tall, boot-compatible cut is perfect for hiking boots, and the soft, comfortable fibers feel great on your feet. But, if you'd rather stick with low tops, we suggest the Darn Tough Hiker Quarter Cushion. It offers the same qualities but stops short just above the ankle. Darn Tough socks come with a lifetime warranty, and we have both used and been impressed with the warranty. Can you wear these socks for years and have them replaced? Yup. You have to pay shipping and wait a few weeks. Although, as one tester said, I've had a pair of Darn Tough socks for years and never needed to use the warranty. In my experience, these socks outlast other high-end wool sock brands by a long shot. The men's and women's specific fits are true to size and feel great on a wide or narrow foot. The Hiker Full Cushion is the clear choice if you're looking for a top-of-the-line hiking sock, and it's our go-to for long backpacking trips, especially since it can also double as a cozy pair of sleepers. Materials: 66% merino wool, 32% nylon, 2% licorice spandex thickness, midweight. Number 2. Best bulk value. The Danish Endurance Unisex Merino 3-pack is a merino synthetic blend sock in a 3-pack. It is comfortable, performs well across most metrics, and is compatible with boots or shoes. Breathability is at the top of the class due to a unique venting stitch design that runs across the ankle and up the shin. The cushioning underfoot is sufficient for longer multi-day hikes, trail runs, or day hikes over tough terrain. It also comes in a unisex fit that our male and female testers found snug and true to size. The Danish Endurance Unisex Merino sports an attractive price, but its performance doesn't match the high-end models we tested. It will hang in there for a few solid hiking seasons, but not withstand the many years we have seen with Darn Tough and other brands. It had less merino wool than the top performers, and the increased amount of synthetic material doesn't thermoregulate like socks with a higher wool percentage. Further, the toe box isn't ideal for folks with narrow feet and bunches up, especially when wet, though our testers with wider feet had no complaints. Though these concerns are valid, finding a merino synthetic blend sock that matches value with performance is hard. However, the Time May Tell Merino Cushion 2-pack is certainly a good deal as well but lower in quality. The Danish Endurance also comes in multicolor packs to color coordinate with your favorite outdoor apparel. The REI Co-op Lightweight Merino Crew sells as a single pair. Still, it is reasonably priced and made of 79% merino wool, which exceeds the Danish's composition, 38% merino, 62% synthetic. Materials: 38% merino wool, 30% nylon, 30% acrylic, 2% elastin thickness, midweight. Number 3. Best lightweight hiking sock. The Darn Tough Light Hiker Micro Crew features a thinner, more breathable construction that is well suited for the warmer months. The high concentration of nylon provides powerful wicking abilities while the breathable stitching on the instep keeps your foot ventilated. This is the sock to wear if you're prone to sweaty feet or frequently hike in hot climates. The height is compatible with low or mid-calf hiking boots or running shoes, making it suitable for various applications. Its drying speed is impeccable for a natural fiber sock, keeping feet comfortable and dry on long adventures. If you prefer synthetic fibers, our fave lightweight option is the Darn Tough Colmax Hiker Micro Crew. Scroll down a bit to read up on it. But for lightweight comfort with the performance benefits of merino, this is the one we'd choose. This sock will offer plenty of warmth while in motion, given its high proportion of merino wool, but it won't offer the same warmth while standing still or sleeping. We would not choose the Darn Tough Light Hiker for winter camping or standing around in the cold. However, if breathable and durable construction is what you seek, then you'll be a happy camper in these socks. Those seeking a bit more warmth in a lightweight sock should look at the Farm to Feet Damascus Lightweight Crew. We didn't find them quite as comfortable as the Darn Tough, but they are a worthy alternative in every other way. Or, for more warmth on colder days, you can't go wrong with the Darn Tough Hiker Full Cushion or the shorter quarter cushion version. Materials: 54% nylon, 43% merino wool, 3% lycra spandex thickness, lightweight. Number 4. Best synthetic design. The Darn Tough Colmax Hiker Micro Crew is our favorite synthetic option. Let's face it, some people just don't like wool. If that's you, these will be a great choice. We hiked more than 100 miles in our Colmax socks and found them incredibly comfortable and breathable. During our drying tests, they bested many of their peers. They were equally champs on the trail, effectively wicking away moisture during hours of hiking and backpacking. After a full summer of hiking in these, some of the fabric is thinning, but remarkably, I haven't torn through them yet, our tester shared. Another synthetic favorite in our lineup is the Wigwam Hiking Outdoor Pro, which is also extremely soft and comfortable, even if it isn't as supportive, form-fitting, or durable as this Darn Tough. Our assessment from testing is mostly positive, but the Colmax Hiker Micro Crew does have some drawbacks. It isn't the warmest sock we tested, and once the mercury drops close to freezing, it loses its wicking power. Also, the fit can be a little snug on wider feet. This slim cut isn't necessarily a deal breaker, but should be a consideration when choosing a sock to slip into a pair of boots for a long trek. The design offers decent compression paneling, which keeps the sock in place, even over a long haul. For a merino synthetic blend with similar merits, we really love the Darn Tough Light Hiker Micro Crew. If you're not into regular length, i.e., lower calf height, socks, we think the Belaga Hidden Comfort is a great synthetic no-show option to consider. Materials: 37% nylon, 34% Colmax polyester, 26% acrylic, 2% lycra spandex, 1% other fiber thickness, midweight.